What? What this guy's doing?
Know what this is?
Oh, it's a pod from a tree. Yeah, you want to play it? Do you play melodica? You want to play melodica? Play melodica. All right, I'm going to do this piece. Life came. Yeah, life came. Life came with no instructions, no warranty, no rebate, no instruction booklet on how to operate, no price tag. Priceless. Priceless. Till they put you on sale and marked you down for clearance to make room for new inventory, new models with designer jeans and bodies by Wisher. Bodies by Wisher. I got my body by Wisher. Life came. Yeah. With no contents listed, no ingredients listed in the order of the percentage of composition. Life came. With no deposition that you could frame and hang on the wall. Life came barefoot and pregnant. Yeah, and you could not look. Watermelon woman, the ruby red and seated. Walking on the beach, yeah, she's knowing she's needed. Yeah, life came. Watermelon woman, ruby red and seated. She's walking on the beach, yeah, she's knowing she's needed. Life came. La 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 came. Tell me about how my life came. With no instructions on how to operate, but all of the freedom to liberate. Life came. Yeah, we're talking about liberate. We're talking about having yourself a good time. Life came. La 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 la. Life came. Yeah. Watermelon woman, she was ruby red and seated. She was walking on the beach, yeah, she was knowing she was needed. Yeah, life came. La 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 la, life came. And it bugged us, yeah, and it hugged us. It bugged us and hugged us. Life came, yeah. Came with armadillos and with pillows, yeah. With armadillos and pillows, life came. Came with baby dreams of kicking off the covers and a bottomless tit. Came in a configuration chemical, H2O on the go. H2O on the go, yeah, H2O on the go. Life came. Demos, life came. Body down, down. Life came on the wind, breathing hot and heavy in your groin. Down your blouse, up the legs of your pants, up your skirt, and coming out your eyeballs. Coming out your nose. Life came. La 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 la, life came. Life came clammed up, open and served on the half shell. Life came. And the universal womb and tidal waves of labor pains came with life and delivered. I say the universal womb and tidal waves of labor pains came and delivered. Extinctable matters, animal echoes, bell-bottom tribes, rainforest, frescoes, igloos. Life came. La 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 la. King. This guy is really being Spanish.
Dámelo pa' Monte, con
monte, vamos a arrachar. Vámonos pa'l monte, pa'l monte, vamos a arrachar. Y la rumba que buena. Let's get down. Hey, what do you get to say that?
Yeah.
Ready? Vámonos pa'l monte, vamos a arrachar. La rumba.
What happened to the red ball? There was a red ball.
What do you say, honey?
Nah, there was a little red ball. Whatever. Do you remember?
Red ball didn't work too
And ain't nobody stopping us either. Ain't that nice? All right. Yeah. What happened to Vinny? Where's Vinny go? Yeah.
I'm gonna CIA. I went for the KGB.
Uh-oh, man. I want to see your papers. I say I want to see your ID. I want to see your birth certificate. I want to see your green card. Yeah, I want to see what you got to give. Yeah, baby, what have you got to give me? Tell me what have you got to give me? What have you got to give me? I want to see your birth certificate. I want to see your social security card. I mean, I need some information.
I'm communist. Hey, Puerto Rico.
Viva Puerto Rico.
Yeah. A ver, pues, let me tell you something, baby. Esa mamita buena. Unos mulos buenos. She got beautiful.